Hey guys, welcome to Human Diversity course Summer 1 2021. I am really glad to have you guys all in class and I look forward to a great semester. So let's get started. So the first things is I am going to show you the D2L. So when you look at D2L, it has been, you have your syllabus and schedule here. This is where your course introduction videos are going to be posted. This is the GroupMe that is going to be our primary source of communication this semester. Week 1, Week 2, Week 3, Week 4 and Week 5. This is a short semester, a summer 1 semester. So everything is fast and furious, right? So let's go ahead and look at our syllabus. You are all very welcome to ask any questions that you have and we are going to go through this. So summer office hours are not fixed, but I am available via email, Zoom, and we are going to be in communication via GroupMe. If you want to talk to me, you're more than welcome to call at my office number, leave your name and number, and I will call you back. I will be checking D2L Monday to Friday every day before 2 p.m. and at least once over the weekends. And I'm happy to schedule Zoom, Skype, and so we are going to have lots of communication, lots of transparency, so don't be hesitant about contacting me anytime. How do you contact me? This is my email address. If you send me an email through D2L, that is okay, I will receive it. However, our primary way of communication would be GroupMe. I would be checking it several times a day. All your queries about assignments, logistics, questions about course, schedule, and anything like that, confusions, I would really appreciate if you would post it on the GroupMe. This helps me answer not only you, but it also helps clarify your peers' doubts. And sometimes there may be something that you did not notice, but a peer noticed, and then they can answer you too. So this is not going to be only you asking me questions and me answering you. GroupMe will also be through peers answering each other. And this is also the way we are going to get to know each other throughout the semester. And here is my office number. This is the course catalog description. This is the book that we are going to be using throughout the semester, Diversity Consciousness. We're going to be using chapters 1 to 5 of this book. I have tried to balance this with other activities and things. As we go forward, I'll make those more clear. And so here is your West College of Education Conceptual Framework. This course is in the West College of Education. I'm not going to read everything. Attendance policy. This is an online course. Moreover, it is actually in the summer, in which you only have 4.5 weeks. 5 weeks is a short week. So you are expected to log in at least twice a week for your attendance. And the way the course is set up, you're going to have an activity due every Wednesday and then an assignment due every Sunday. So it automatically makes you log in at least twice a week. If you have not logged in over a week, 2 weeks, that is half the semester, then you may be dropped from the course. Please be professional. Please be courteous. There are a lot that is going to go on in the semester. So if you have any confusions, please don't hesitate to talk to me. And here is about instructor drop, indifferent attitude, disruptive conduct, consistently failing to meet class assignments, excessive absences. Academic honesty and plagiarism. This is going to be very critical and followed non-negotiably throughout the semester. Plagiarism. Any assignment with a 30% or above plagiarized will not be graded, receive a 0, and no makeup allowed. If it is 30% and more plagiarized, that basically means that you've not even done 70% yourself, which just does not show good, proper work ethics. So we are going to cite your sources if that's the case. However, all these assignments that are there in this section are about your personal philosophy, your personal identity. And so I'm not even sure how those can be plagiarized. I've never actually had this case, plagiarism case, in a counseling section. So I don't think that that's going to happen again. So here is disability support, computer requirements. It's an online class and it is your responsibility to have a good connection and access to a working computer. Technical issues do not qualify as late work, as an excuse to late work. You have no late work for your introduction and activities. Those activities are built upon the fact that those help in your major assignments, and also those are very timely activities. So there is no late work accepted for them. Your 4 major assignments, which are your key assignments, have 25% late per day per assignment late, including Saturday and Sunday. Your assignments are due on Sunday, so it is 25% late after that. If you had a technical issues or if anything happened with computers, that does not provide an excuse because you already have the schedule from the very first day of the classes. And I am going to share that. What does 25% late means? That if the assignment is 100 points, after 1 day you can only make 75% on it. And after 2, you can only make 50% on it. And then 0 after 4 days. Do not wait till the last minute to submit an assignment. Dropbox will be time-stamped and any delays will be reflected in the reflection. Time shown by D2L will be considered with no exceptions. So how do you get help from me? Or how do you get your questions answered? Consult the syllabus. And then first and the foremost thing and more preferable is you post your question on GroupMe. And then you email Dr. Gupta. That should be your last option. Care taken to submitting blank files or wrong files. So this is your responsibility to make sure you are doing the right files. And this is again reinforcing the academic honesty and plagiarism. This is your online instruction, gives you an idea about how many hours to give for the course. Your assessments, your grading procedures, A is a 90 to 100 and 89 is a B. 89.5 is a B. 89.8 is a B. 90% is what is an A. 90 to 100 is an A. B is 80 to 89. And here is your breakdown of the assignments. You have an introduction which is going to be on a GroupMe, that is 5 points. You have various activities. Basically, you have 4 activities which are 10 points each. You have your major 4 assignments, that are your cultural autobiography, argument analysis, fieldwork, synthesis paper. Those are for your 375 points. And then you have your classroom disposition, which is basically you being in attendance, logging in twice daily, following directions, answering your emails, being courteous, no disruptions, being professional. All of those goes towards your classroom disposition, 30 points, and your total points of the course is 450 points. So let us now look at the course schedule. So if you look at this thing, you're going to see your course schedule. Your course schedule has all your due dates and everything listed. Week 1, you actually have 2 things that are due by Sunday. Since the course is starting on June 1st, which is a Tuesday, I did not think it was fair for you to have an assignment due Wednesday. So both of those are due on Sunday. And one of them is basically introducing yourself. I have specific directions for it and I will show it to you in just a second. You have an activity 2 that is due Wednesday, June 9th, and then your key assessment due Sunday. You have an activity 3 due Wednesday, and then your key assessment due Sunday. Remember, activities and introductions, there is no late work accepted. Key assignments, you have 25% off per day per assignment late. Please note that the June 30th is a different, June 30th is a different date than a Wednesday or a Sunday for your final key assignment. When you look at your table of content, for every week, you are going to actually see a watch me first or a read me first. So if you go on week 1, you will see a read me first. If you go on week 2, you're going to see a watch me first, and your week 2 is going to open on Tuesday night. So you have your read me first. When you go to read me first, it will show you, and the watch me first will do exactly the same things. It will show you what do you have to do to prepare the class, what is the topic for this week, and then your introduction is your first assignment. You are going to upload a photograph of yourself, that means a picture of yourself, and you are going to give yourself an adjective, which means you're going to describe yourself, like if with the first letter of your first name, joyful Jill, athletic Alan, whichever, and you have all the instructions given in your read me first over here. And the same thing is there for your activity 1. Everything is given that is needed for your week 1 in the week 1 folder. As I said, GroupMe is going to be our way of communication. Here is the GroupMe joining link. Basically, once you click on this link, it will start messaging you on your phone, computer, wherever you want to link it. And it is going to be very effective. If you've not used it, you can use it as a group chat, and you can also private message me in this one. This is all about the course introduction. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am here, and I am here to support you be successful this semester. I look forward to an awesome semester, and us have a great semester.